Ava has 13 medium-sized bags of Valentine's candy. Each medium bag contains 24 pieces of candy. She has one large bag of candy with 54 pieces of candy. Which of the following expression can be used to show that Ava has 366 pieces of candy in all? Okay, so again, they're just asking for an equation. So we are looking for which one of these is going to come up with 366 pieces of candy. So we could sit here and solve all of them and see which one comes to 366, but I would also just rather understand what it's asking me. So it says Ava has 13 size bags. Each bag has 24. So if I have one bag and it had 24, and another bag with 24, and dot, 13 times, okay, well that's going to be a lot. So I know I'm going to be doing 24 times 13 because that's going to be representing how many bags the medium ones contained. 24 times 13 times, so I can already get rid of C and D because they're not multiplying 24 and 13 together. Now the next thing says she has one large bag of candy with 54 pieces. Which of the following can show that Ava has 366 pieces? So, if I know she has one bag that has 54, well, then can I just add those 54 pieces to the other pieces to see how many she has total? So let's see. Oh, this one is multiplying the 54. Are we saying that when we multiply the 13 size bags with 24 pieces in them, that we're going to then take that amount and multiply that 54 more times? No, we're just adding 54 more pieces of candy, so it can't be B. So the only answer choice left is A, and that does make sense. We're multiplying the medium-sized bags by the amount of candy to figure out how many pieces of candy in the bags, and then we're adding the 44 other pieces of candy.